Guys, I'm going to make myself some shrimp stir fry. Get those shrimp, season it, put it in the fryer to fry because I want it dry. Why you touch my videos for? Oh, you can't make all the chicken in the hot. You know, it's supposed to keep that.
But it says keep the hot sauce.
So we're gonna stir fry this shrimpy. Easy cooking today. Nothing too complicated. Leave our oil to get hot to put our seasoning in. I'm just gonna stir fry up the shrimp with the vegetables. I'm gonna have it with some barbecue chicken and some rice. This is what it looks like after I deep fried it. This is well seasoned up with some all-purpose seasoning, thyme, garlic powder. Cook a little bit first. Still gotta wash this even though it's in a package. Still make sure you wash off your vegetables and don't just put it in the pot. And always make sure you wash your stuff then properly because you don't know what kind of stuff could I get on there. I'm just lazy today and don't want to cut up things, so I just bought like pre-cut vegetables frozen. So it's easier for me today. I have some cucumbers that I'm gonna put in after this steams down a little bit because cucumber is easy to steam. So I'm just gonna leave this to steam down for about 5 minutes and come back and then add our shrimp and stuff in there. Alright guys, this is how we're looking. Yum. And I'm about to add my shrimp and then my cucumber in there. But I'm gonna put the shrimp in first. I don't want a lot of water in there, so yum. Look at that yummy. Yes. We're gonna have this with some rice because my daughter has to have rice because she can't live without the rice, and some barbecue chicken. I already barbecued the chicken, so I'm gonna show you guys. And I'm gonna have pork chops with mine. Yum. Yum, yummy, 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 yum, yeah. Look, this kid, she's so unwilling. All I did was ask her to wash the 2 dishes, and she's complaining.
Dishes.
Oh, what's dishes? So I'm gonna leave this to steam down a little more. And we're gonna turn it off. I'm gonna show you guys barbecue chicken that I already did. Here's the chicken that I did outside on the grill. It's gonna be a nice healthy dinner. Look at that. Mmm. Mm, mm, mm. I had some baby potatoes in the oven that I actually forgot about. Focus. Yeah. With some herb seasoning on it. So I have those in the oven doing. This dinner is about to be lit.